guys, this is a Samsung A20s, which is an upgrade of the Samsung A20. So in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Samsung A20s and why you should keep your money. Hey guys, it's Michael from Made Unboxing, where I help you to make decisions in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. Now let's get into the unboxing of this device. Inside the box we have the phone itself with some highlights of the specs up front, a user manual, a warranty card, 5-volt power brick, Type-C cable, earphone and some SIM ejector pin, and that's all for what we have inside the box. The Samsung A20s comes with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD Infinity V display with an 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The Samsung A20s has a 720x1560 pixels resolution with a 264 ppi density and an 81.9 screen to body ratio. The Samsung A20s is made of glass thick and weighs 183 grams. On the left hand side we have card tray which houses dual nano 4G SIMs and a micro SD card. Also on the left hand side we have the volume rocker. The right hand side we have the power button. At the bottom we have the speaker grills, Type-C ports, microphone and the 3.5mm headphone jack. At the top we have the dedicated mic for noise cancellation. At the back we have the triple camera setup, which I'll get back to soon, and a fingerprint sensor with some Samsung branding below. The Samsung A20s runs on Android Pie with Samsung's One UI. The Samsung A20s comes with a Snapdragon 450 14nm chipset with an octa-core 1.8 GHz CPU and Gionee 506, which helps in graphics and gaming on an average level. The Samsung A20s comes in two variants, which are the 3GB RAM, 32GB and 4GB RAM, 64GB. The Samsung A20s have up to 1TB of dedicated micro SD card storage. Getting back to the triple camera setup at the back, we have a 30MP main camera, 8MP ultra wide camera and a 5MP depth sensor. At the front we have a 8MP infinity selfie camera. On the video side of this device, both the front and rear facing camera can shoot 1080p videos at 30 frames per second with no form of stabilization. The Samsung A20s comes with a whopping 4000mAh battery, which can get you up to 7.5 hours in on time and can take up to 2 hours plus to juice up this device to the fullest. In all, I will say you should keep your money or get the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8, and the Snapdragon 450 on this device is not meant to be on here because it is way too low at this price point. From a scale of 10, I will rate this device a 5.7. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about this device. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Anyways guys, until my next video, peace.